Yeah, g'day there, Bills, Mr. Sean Thompson, poke along, not bad, thanks. So you guys have seen us do some pretty stupid stuff. Like you've seen us get ourselves into positions and predicaments and flooded caravans and bogged, and we're about to do it again.
No, we're not.
We're coming into a free camp in a state forest. We're just south of Ulladulla. Say hi, kids.
Hi.
With the kids in the van, dog in the back. I've just let the tyres down the caravan. Tyres down on the car. The front ones I've let down to 20 pounds. The back ones are let down to 30 because they've got a bit more weight in it. We come up this track yesterday. It hadn't been as raining as much. It is a little bit slippery, but there is a mad little free bush camp up in here. We're just coming up in here, probably 2 nights. There's predicted to be 200 mil of rain today, so getting out tomorrow or the next day might be a bit of a challenge, and then we're probably going to do a big stint down south, down to Bateman's Bay. So I'm just going to throw you guys up in the caravan and yeah, tag along for the ride as we drive up here. Excited, wifey? She's not excited at all, eh? She's cool, calm and collected though, which is pretty good. Anyway, I'm just going to throw you guys up on this little GoPro mount up there. We've got another one up in there, but yeah, I reckon this one here, you'll get a better view, I think. So, righto, so I just put my little makeshift sound deadener on there so you didn't get too much wind noise. Hopefully you'll hear Jack roaring through the scrub, eh? And we'll see how we go. There you go, mate. Can you see? He's going. Alright, you wait there. here we go. It's got a bit muddy up there. That was easy. Wasn't even a hassle. I think the tyres, letting the tyres down helped heaps. So, yeah, happy days. Well, we're just in camp now. Hang on a second, mate. I'll give you a bit of a clean here, look. There you go, a bit better. But yeah, we're just in a camp here now. It's nothing flash, only a little bloody bush camp. Someone's had a fair whopping bit of a fire over here. Bit muddy, but hey, did sensational, I think. You can see we've got the bikes on the front of the van and on the roof. We had a bit of an issue, mate. Our bike rack, it has let us down. As you can see in there, the U-bolt has broken. So we're trying to work out whether we try and sell the bikes, ditch the bikes, throw the bikes out, or what we do. Because if I just weld another U-bolt on there, it's going to break again, lovey. I'm sorry, but what do we do?
We have to work something out.
We've got to work something out yet. She still doesn't want to let go of the kids' first bike. So. Feeling a bit sentimental, but that's all right. Anyway, guys, we're going to set up camp. A bit of firewood here. We might even try and get a fire going for the kids. And cook some marshmallows or something tonight, lovey. What do you reckon? Do we even have any marshmallows? No, we haven't got any marshmallows, horrible.
People leaving their rubbish behind.
Oh, geez, that irritates me, mate. One thing that we try and do is every time we pull into camp is we get the kids and we get a bag, like just a rubbish bag, and just go around, pick up as much rubbish, fill that bag up pretty much. And that's sort of our way of, you know, these free camps, thank you for letting us stay here, sort of thing. Hey, lovey. Any rubbish we see, we always pick it up, mate. Like, it's not hard. Obviously, this is pretty close to town. Teenagers come up in here, four-wheel driving and stuff. Like, tell it's teenagers because they're leaving cartons of Jack Daniels and stuff around, mate. Like, come on, guys. Like, this is why they shut the bushes up and won't let you go four-wheel driving in places like this, because you know, you get on the piss and then you leave your Jack Daniels cartons. Just pick it up, boys. It's not hard, mate. Anyway, go four-wheel driving in the bush, have a great time, get pissed as a fucking newt, do whatever you got to do, mate, but then just pick up your shit and take it with you. It's not hard. Anyway, righto. Ew.